Here is the PCBA manufacturing reliable choice. More than 10,000 points per second mounting accuracy, 99.98% welding yield, we fully automated SMT production line, define the industry standard of efficiency and reliability. Hello everyone, I am currently in the factory, which is located in Guangdong province, China. As the source factory, it covers an area of more than 15,000 square meters and has a full set of production lines. The core equipment of the factory covers printing, SMT, welding, testing, repair, and other links. Automatic SMT production line plus AOI quality inspection. GettingWin makes your circuit board mounting zero error production speed. After we receive the customer's customized production needs, we will check the customer's Geber, BOM, and production materials, and carry out professional production guidance and suggestions. PCBA manufacturing, a perfect symphony of precision and technology. Let us see for ourselves how the soul of the modern electronics industry is carved. 1. On the board, place the PCB into the equipment for processing. 2. Printing. The solder paste is evenly coated on the PCB pad to prepare for the installation of components. 3. SPI solder paste test. The quality of the solder paste printed on the PCB pad is tested to ensure that the quality and position meet the requirements. 4. Patch. The process of accurately and quickly mounting electronic components to the specified position on the PCB board. 5. Reflow welding. Through heating to melt the solder paste on the PCB to achieve the electrical interconnection of the component pin and PCB pad welding process. 6. DIP plug-in welding. Insert the plug-in component into the corresponding hole of the PCB board to realize the electrical connection between the component pin and the PCB solder pad. 7. Wave soldering welding by sending the PCB board into the wave welding machine so that the plug-in component pin and high-temperature liquid tin wave contact, forming an electrical connection welding process. 8. AOI inspection. The process of quality inspection and defect analysis of PCB board welded on some production line through automatic optical inspection instrument. 9th. QC, responsible for testing and monitoring product quality standards to ensure that products meet customer quality requirements. 10. In the process, we are also fully responsible for after-sales issues so that customers can buy with confidence, use with peace of mind, quality assurance. After all, customer recognition is our driving force forward. The above content is the SMT production process. We firmly believe that long-term doctrine is a choice, is a strategy. We strive for greater progress. If you have the need to contact us at any time, welcome to see you next time.